will not shun, will not will dishonor, but yet we will stand ever true to them, to thee, true to God, to friend and thee, true to thee. Lead us on gallantly, ever on gallantly, take the banner to fight for the church and its right. All for God's own greater glory is a cry, a battle cry. Not forget, nor in vain is the strife in this life, but for God who is our King, all of us will be free. Growing stronger and fighting less longer and purer to make heaven surer with process and trials and many denials we fight. But to die, our Lord and